avail EMI options or pay online using debit or credit card and net banking, 10-day return or replacement policy for the damaged or defective product. You can schedule the delivery at your convenience. Prime members get free delivery. Amazon will coordinate with the brand for installation within 48 hours of delivery. For further information, visit the product detail page.
Samsung presents a 7.2 kg semi-automatic top-loading washing machine with iWash technology. This washing machine comes with two-way inner handle that allows you to move the machine easily. The water jets placed at the center create better water turbulence and provide a powerful wash. The air turbo drying system spins the dryer at a higher speed while the dual air intake system draws in more air to dry the clothes at a good speed. It has built-in scrub board that provides a typical hand wash to your clothes to remove stubborn stains. The built-in lint filter collects loose thread, lint and hair, preventing from blockage of pipes. The Easy Wash tray makes it easy to scrub the clothes for more effective wash. This washing machine comes with brand warranty of 2 years on product and 3 years on the motor. You can avail the EMI or no-cost EMI option. You can also pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. You can schedule the delivery of this product at a day and time of your convenience. Prime members get free delivery. Amazon will coordinate with the brand for installing your product within 48 hours of delivery. In case you receive the product in a condition that is damaged or defective, we offer a free 10-day return or replacement policy. For further information on the product, warranty, payment and delivery options and other offers, visit the product detail page.
Presenting Whirlpool's superb Atom semi-automatic washing machine with 5-star energy rating and 3 built-in wash programs. This superb Atom semi-automatic washing machine has a 66-liter large wash tub which lets the clothes move freely. The Super Soak technology easily removes stubborn dirt by continuously soaking and scrubbing the clothes for 25 minutes. This washing machine comes with a waterproof and shockproof control panel which is smartly designed to protect the water from seeping inside. The high-efficiency powerful motor rolls the clothes in all directions, giving a thorough cleaning. With 1400 RPM spin speed, the clothes dry quickly, saving you time and energy. This semi-automatic machine has auto restart function. This means that during power cuts, the machine remembers where it stopped and restarts from there when the power comes back. The machine is equipped with 4 wheels which provides easy mobility and thus can be easily moved from one place to another. The buzzer produces a beep sound at the end of each washing cycle to let you know that it is done. So, get home the Whirlpool Superb Atom semi-automatic washing machine and get cleaner clothes every day. This washing machine comes with a 2 years warranty on product, 5 years warranty on wash motor and prime mover. For EMI options, refer to the product page. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. For further information, visit the product page.